Welcome to the jungle, guys. My jungle. We actually call this house the Jungle House for a reason. There is tons of vegetation in the front yard, huge trees. We'll actually have a lot of cleaning up to do, but we are going to keep one tree. There is a fig tree in the front. My wife says I can't get rid of that, or if I do, I have to wait till the figs come due. So a lot of cleaning up in the front. There's concrete issues that we got to deal with. But here's our jungle house, right? This is in the heart of Tempe. We're not very far from ASU, right? Super popular, high demand. We could possibly keep this as a rental, student housing, or even an Airbnb or anything like that. But right now the initial plan is to flip it. So this is the before video. I want to show you kind of what it is now. As you guys know, we love to show that before and after. So come follow me. We'll give you a little tour. As soon as you walk in, you will be part of this giant living room space that I'll show you in just a second because this wall will be gone. But while we're right here, you'll walk in. We have a bathroom right here in front of us, which this all has to come out because I can't even fit through this door. So that bathroom will have to be completely remodeled, and I got 2 bedrooms here on the side. Okay, they're actually decent sized space. And then that wall there will be taken down. So this whole space, we're gonna open this up as much as we possibly can. So that way we have the kitchen on the far end, all opened up to here, pass through all the way to the back. Lots of space for a house this size, okay? This house right now is at about 1,600 square feet. What we will show you is there's an addition to the house they've done. It just doesn't have air conditioning, about another 240 square feet. So we should be able to add that in, which will really help up our value, okay? Now this room is gonna end up being a little bit smaller, okay? I'll show you kind of what's gonna happen, but we're gonna end up with a hallway right here, doorway here. The 240 square feet is on the other side of this wall. So we'll have a doorway here to the bedroom. We're gonna square this off, and this will be a new laundry room and hot water heater and everything in here, because right now it's just on the other side of this wall. So this room will, shrink a little bit, but it's plenty big, okay? We'll add a sliding glass door to the back, all new windows, and this will be beautiful, right? Big giant living space, okay? Now there's more to the house. Let me show you that. Okay, on this side I mentioned the kitchen. We're gonna keep the kitchen over here, run it all along here, but we're gonna make it an L where it comes down this way a little bit. Big old island here in the middle. We have a bedroom here, the master. This door will have to move down, okay? So we'll have that done. And then this room is way too small. Come take a look. As you can see, this room's just too narrow for a master, okay? This here was the bathroom before, bathroom and closet, and it's just way too small. So what we're gonna do is actually change this room to the closet only. This is long enough, but this needs to go out further. So we're actually gonna extend the house a little bit under the carport, which will make this massive, and we're not even to the additional 240 square feet that we talked about. That's actually back here. So we still have one more spot to go. All right, so this is the non-air conditioned space. A little bit hotter. I talked about the hot water heater being here, right? The laundry, right? This is where we're gonna flip, the lines can stay here. We're just gonna flip the stuff to the other side. We'll have a door coming into the bedroom from the main area over there. And then we'll be able to kind of, either close this off completely, but put a closet here. So ceiling heights are a little bit lower, which is why we're gonna make it just a normal bedroom rather than the master. But with this extra square feet, adding it on correctly, because of right now, you can only get to this room by going outside. Doing the extension out here, the carport is so large, we can very easily do the extension to that master. So let me show you the backyard. It's not the biggest, but it's really cool actually because we don't have someone behind us. So let's take a look. All right, here we go. This is the backyard. We have a large covered patio, a little bit of space here. But look at all this extra space we have on this side of the yard. All right, what we will be doing is putting up fencing, additional new fencing all along there. end along the back because these top 2 bricks on the backyard are loose and they're not concreted in. So we'll take those top 2 down and put a nice wood fence in front of it because it's also leaning a little bit. It's still very stable, but we want it to feel and look nice. So, and then over here, the last part, house comes with a free shed. So shed looks like it's in good shape. So someone should appreciate that. And then like I said, behind the wall, there's actually no house back there. So, all right guys, so this one is the house we call the jungle house. We have new videos coming out every Thursday. Can't wait to show you the before and after because this thing is gonna look amazing. So stay tuned. We come out with new videos all the time. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and click the next video below.